In this video, I made a campfire site sign for a customer. And right here, it's just engraving the paw logos that the customer wanted and then their last name. And then in the center, there's just a fire pit with a fire logo on top of it. Then right here, it's just finishing up their last name, and we'll start the other two paw prints. And now it's almost finished, and it's going to cut out the sign, which I'll switch over to a 1/8 inch end mill. Once that's done, I'll sand everything down to get ready to paint the lettering. Before I do that, I put a sanding sealer on so it doesn't bleed the letters. And right here is where I start painting all the lettering for their name, the logos, and the paw prints. And once I let this dry for a couple days, I'll go back and sand everything off. And right here, I use about 400 grit and then go up in steps to make everything smooth. And I had to go back and put more, so I sanded it again. And this was after about 4 coats of polyurethane. And this is going to be an outside sign for the customers. Now, if you like this video, please leave a like and a comment, and also subscribe for more updates on new videos and projects that I'll be doing in the future.